Hello together. So we got the burger, we got the caramelized onion, and now we have the bake oven potatoes. Those are with Italian herbs and some Grana Padano. So this is very easy recipe and let's make it. So first you need to have chunks of potatoes. I cut a potato into 4. So chunks like this. Pre-washed peel, of course. Potatoes peel is totally eatable, but of course we gotta wash it. Yeah, it's very important. So after we just have it like that, we are just gonna proceed to boil it. We don't need to boil it too much, too extreme, but just like 80% will be very okay. Yeah, 80-90% it will be okay. Yeah. So after we boil them, we remove the water, we discard the water, and we let them rest. Yeah. Once they are cold, we add some olive oil. We add the oil before because we want that the herbs and the cheese stick to the potatoes. Yes. So now we got some Italian herbs. You can of course use the other herbs you like. You can do it with oregano, with majoran. It really doesn't matter. Now we got some Grana Padano cheese. You can also use Parmesan or the cheese you like. I got some Grana Padano, so I use it and just remove it like that. That all got sticky with the herbs and with the cheese, and now you just need to place them in your baking tray. Just spread them all around that they got enough heat everywhere. I turn on the grill function of my oven. It doesn't have temperature. It just say grill function, and just after maybe around 20 minutes, just start looking like this. Just turn it off, and there we are. So I hope you like it. Thank you. Take care.